Managing payroll can be a daunting task for new business owners. Missing a step can lead to compliance issues and unhappy employees. So, what exactly do you need to set up payroll correctly in Ontario? Today, I'm going to guide you through the essential steps to setting up payroll in Ontario, Canada. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to manage your payroll responsibilities confidently. Let's get started. Step 1. Obtain a business number and register for a payroll program account. First, you need to obtain a business number from the CRA. This 9-digit number identifies your business to all levels of government. You can apply for a business number online, by mail, or by phone. Once you have your business number, register for a payroll program account with a CRA. This account allows you to remit payroll deductions and file necessary information returns. Step 2. Understand employment standards legislation. As an employer in Ontario, it's crucial to comply with both federal and provincial employment laws. Familiarize yourself with the Ontario Employment Standards Act. This act covers rules on minimum wage, hours of work, overtime pay, vacation entitlements, statutory holidays, and termination notice. Understanding these regulations helps you treat your employees fairly and avoid potential penalties. Step 3. Register with the Workplace Safety and Insurance Board, WSIB. Most employers in Ontario must register with the WSIB within 10 days of hiring their first employee. The WSIB provides insurance coverage for workplace injuries and illnesses. You can complete your registration online using your business number. Step 4. Collect employee information and complete required forms. Before processing payroll, gather essential information from your employees: full name and address, date of birth, social insurance number, and ensure each employee completes the federal and provincial TD1 forms. These forms determine the amount of tax to deduct from their income. Step 5. Set up a payroll system. Decide how you'll manage payroll calculations and record keeping. Options include manual processing, very suitable for small businesses but can be prone to errors; payroll software, which automates calculations for deductions like CPP, EI, and income tax; payroll service providers, where you outsource to professionals who handle payroll on your behalf. Ensure any software you use is updated regularly to reflect current tax rates and regulations. Step 6. Calculate payroll deductions. Each pay calculate deductions for CPP, EI, and federal and provincial income tax. Use the CRA's Payroll Deductions Online Calculator or refer to the payroll deduction tables provided by CRA. Accurate calculations are essential for compliance. Step 7. Remit payroll deductions to the CRA. After deducting the appropriate amounts from your employee's pay, remit these amounts to the CRA. Include your employer contributions for CPP and EI. Remittances are generally due by the 15th of the month following the month you paid your employees. Late remittances can result in penalties and interest charges. Step 8. Maintain accurate payroll records. You're required to keep detailed records for each employee for at least 6 years. Records should include hours worked, wages paid, deductions made, and remittance details. Accurate record keeping is vital for audits and for providing employees with required documents. Step 9. Provide pay statements to employees. In Ontario, you must provide employees with a written pay statement each pay. The statement includes pay period dates, gross earnings, deductions, and the purpose of each deduction, and net pay. Providing transparent pay statements helps build trust with your employees. Step 10. Prepare and distribute T4 slips at year-end. At the end of the calendar year, prepare T4 slips for each employee. The T4 slip summarizes their earnings and deductions for the year. You must provide copies to your employees. File the slips along with the T4 summary to the CRA. The deadline is the last day of February following the calendar year. Step 11. Stay informed about changes in legislation. Tax rates and employment laws can change annually. Stay up to date by subscribing to CRA updates, consulting with a payroll professional, attending relevant workshops or seminars. This ensures your payroll processes remain compliant with current laws. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to use the TaxForce.